Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick. Today's October 26th. We do have Quill today, and we're solving problem 299 from the Daily Epsilon calendar. And looks like we have a number sequence, 12y(x) 40, where every term after the second, so like the x and the 40, is the sum of the previous two. So we could write maybe 12 plus y gives us x, and then we can write y plus x gives us 40. And so from this number sequence, from this relationship here, basically we just have a system of two equations. And then when you have two equations and two unknowns, like y and x, usually you can solve for both. Since we are solving for x today, I think I'll try eliminating y by subtracting these two equations from each other. And so I could get like a 12 plus y and then minus a y plus x. And that should be the same thing as taking this x and then subtracting the 40. Again, because these two things are equal and those two things are equal. So on the left side, maybe let's kind of distribute that minus sign. So we do get a minus y minus x. And then the whole point here was that I wanted to eliminate the y. Plus y and minus y go away. So we get 12 minus x is equal to x minus 40. I like working with positive numbers if possible, so I'll add an x here and I'll add a 40 here to kind of cancel those terms out. Balance it by adding an x and adding a 40. So we do get 2x is equal to 52. And then once we divide both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 26. That's basically it. That's the whole problem here. That is today's date, so we did get it right. And this sequence here kind of shares a similarity with the Fibonacci sequence and the Lucas sequence. Essentially, those are also other sequences where you add the two previous terms to get to the next one. Just to figure out what y is, we now know our sequence is 12, y, 26, and then 40. And then we can kind of see here that we would need a 14 to add up to 26. And we also need that 14 to add with the 26 to get to 40. So there's our full sequence. Y is 14, x is 26, and we're all done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.